Hey everyone friends, this is Kyle Weller. Today I'll show you how to install Bluetooth on Windows 10. So we open any browser and type Bluetooth driver and Windows 10. And we click on the first link. Intel Wireless Bluetooth Drivers for Windows 10. Click Download. Now the file is downloading. Right? We open it. Click Yes. You probably see a black screen because it's not visible here. So here we click Next. And the driver installation begins. Here we click Next. Just go through this standard installation process. Click Next. Here select Complete and click Install. That's it. This was Weller. See you all later.